What is up guys, my name is Talha and you're watching Gadgets Sphere. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the OnePlus Pad, the top 5 things you need to know before you buy this beautiful piece of technology. Let's get started. So the number one thing which I really wanted to tell you guys is actually the display for watching movies and multimedia content. So many people actually asked me in the comments, how is the display if you want to watch, movies, or maybe you want to surf Netflix and all. So let me tell you, it does support Dolby Vision Atmos, which is a very good thing. So you're never actually gonna be disappointed by the display quality, and the best part is it works very smoothly. Like Netflix works like a breeze, and I've also watched the whole Loki series with the Disney Plus Hotstar without a problem. So yeah, in terms of the medium watching experience, according to me, I love it. It's just incredibly awesome. So you will also enjoy it. And the best part is we have actually quad speakers in this tab which provide great level of audio. Like believe me, this is by far the best audio I've ever experienced in any tab whatsoever. So it's very good for watching media and day to day, like YouTube videos and all. So no problems whatsoever. Now let's just talk about the second thing which people were very interested in knowing, and that is what is the current price of this tab right now and should you actually get this or not. So in case if you want to check the price, let me just search. I think right now we are also getting a lot of offers. So we can actually get this tab for a lot better price. So if I tap OnePlus Pad, as you guys can see, you are getting this tab currently at 25,000 Indian rupees, which is, believe me, the best deal you can ever crack. Like, it's just incredibly good. It's a great deal. You should definitely get this tab at this price point. The version I am having is having, 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, which is selling for a whopping 34,000 Indian rupees, which I will not recommend you guys to buy. But the one you should be buying is actually this 8 and 128. For 25,000 rupees, it is indeed better. 25,000 Indian rupees, this is way better than the Xiaomi Pad, which many people were actually interested in asking me. Many people were asking, should we get the Xiaomi Pad 6, which is in it of itself a great tab. But again, it's not as good as the OnePlus tab because of the fact that this OnePlus tab feels almost as smooth as an iPad. And the best part is it is very, very optimized. Like the OnePlus team has done a great job in optimizing this tab. So that is awesome. Now let's just talk about another thing which I think is like a little bit of a con according to me. Although the display is great, like yeah, it's incredibly good. If you scroll, you will see one thing, that while scrolling, it is very hard to read into what is actually written. And this is due to the fact that there is a bit of display lag, which is basically like you are having a 144 Hz display, but all the time, like if you scroll, you have to wait until the scrolling ends and then only you will be able to read what is written. Now, this is one thing which I was also a little bit disappointed because this thing happens only in this tab. Like the OnePlus Pad 1, the OnePlus Pad 2, only in OnePlus Pads. In no other tab or smartphone I've ever seen this problem. Like I have used the iPhones and the iPhone's ProMotion is actually the best calibrated ever. This is also good, but yeah, it's not that great. But still you will be like perfectly fine with it because who actually reads anyway while scrolling? You can just, scroll a bit, read and then scroll a bit. That's fine. But yeah, the 120 Hz does really feel smooth while animations like app opening speeds are incredibly fast. You will see and feel like, wow, this is actually running very smoothly. It feels actually faster than it is because of the smooth animations. So that is one thing which I really enjoy. Now let's just talk about one more thing which people were very interested in is actually the taskbar. How do you actually get the taskbar, and more importantly, how does the split screen features work? So you have to swipe down from two of your fingers to get into split screen, and you can open any app you want. Like here are the notes, and here you have Google Play Store. And in case you want to use more than two apps at once, let me just open, let's say Chrome, and I want to open one more app. Like I'm already surfing with two apps, I need one more. For that, you have to just hold down on this taskbar, and you have an array of apps. So let's say I want to open Spotify. Yeah, I can actually open Spotify in a closed window like this, and now I have three apps running in the background. But more than three apps is not possible as of now. I think they have restricted it to only three apps. So yeah, you can only get three apps running in the background at once, but still it does work like it should, which is a very good thing. So I can enjoy it, and that's how only three apps work. And then you can also minimize it and then just swipe it down. There you go, it is in this corner. So that's how the multi-screen gestures work. We also have a swipe to get the taskbar. This is basically the clipboard, so it does come into very handy. Like let's say you want this wallpaper, right? And you want to get this wallpaper in your tab. You can just hold it If you hold it, you can actually save it to the docs. There you go. Now this is saved into your docs and you can just basically open it from here. Now this is a very good thing because normally, yeah, there you go. The image is in your gallery saved. Now this is an awesome feature, like it does come into very handy for day-to-day use. So I just kind of like it. Now let's just talk about one more thing, that is the stylus. How does that work in this pad? And yeah, I haven't actually purchased the original OnePlus stylus because of this, lack of availability. And I also don't need a stylus anyways. So I don't really know about how the stylus actually works, but one thing which I do know, that is it does work with third-party styluses as well. So in case you're thinking of getting a stylus from Amazon or somewhere, a third-party one, it will work perfectly fine. No need to worry about the compatibility issues. It does work perfectly fine. So no problems whatsoever. So that was pretty much it for today's video. I'm also going to make a part 2 and the 3 and the 4 of this. So in case you want to know anything about this tab, make sure you comment down below. And yeah, the Gcam for the OnePlus Pad is also coming very, very soon. So stay tuned for that and subscribe my channel. Follow me on Instagram. That's it. Hope you like it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.